Hello, happy Saturday, you guys. We're just gonna quickly check in and see what's going on downstairs in the basement. Girls, say hello if you want to be on the tube.
Hi.
Jeff's been working downstairs in the basement. Yes, we still have this pile happening over here. No movement on that front. Anyway, here's an update. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
How's it going?
Good.
I see you drywall. Look it. Now I can get a feel for what the laundry room's like size is. Much better by having the wall up.
Yep.
How you feeling?
Good.
Do you need a rant cam?
not yet. Come back in.
You say that every time.
Come back in a bit.
You say that every time. And yet, still no rant cam. Look! It's a bathroom! Okay. It's happening. So yesterday, Jeff and I were talking about this whole project. And he said after this weekend, when he's finished the handful of things he's got planned for this weekend, that he will be able to probably give like a better, clear timeline about the rest of this process and how long it will take. Right, babe?
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
I'm kidding.
Don't do that. In the meantime, I've been living outside. Let me show you what's going on out there. Look at the dog waiting for me to come up the stairs. Hi. Okay, so this has become like the little haven to get away from all the mess and the claustrophobic kind of vibes that are happening inside. I have been spending a lot of time. I've been working out here as much as I can, phone calls out here, talking to friends and having people over out here. It's been really, really, really beneficial for my overall well-being to have this like vast, open, uncluttered space, you know? We've been having friends over and sitting around the fire at night talking. We've had our neighbors over. It's just truly been so beneficial to have this space, because the inside, the clutter and the constant moving of items from like one place to the next to make room for something else, you know, it's getting on me. It's wearing on me. So this is being like a little bit of calm. Living through renovation. I say this in some of my other videos, when some of my design videos, living through renovation is no joke. Like, you have to have patience. You have to understand it's gonna take longer than you thought. You're gonna have to live through clutter and noise and dust and dirt. You're gonna wanna not cook as much in your kitchen and probably spend a little bit more money eating out than you normally would. Like, I know all this stuff. I tell people all this stuff before they get into their own projects. But it's interesting for me, even though I'm aware of it and I'm anticipating it, it's still sometimes hard to live through. But then, you know, the bad days pass and you get right back on to having a good day. And let me just be really clear, hashtag first world problems, right? Again, we're so blessed. I'm so thankful we can even do this renovation. I'm not, you know, please don't misunderstand me. I'm not complaining. It's just the reality of living through a little bit of chaos is sometimes hard to manage, that's all. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you. This has become a new book that Isabella and I are taking time a few days a week to read through. Rebecca McLaughlin has a book for adults called 10 Questions. I don't remember the exact title of it. 10 Questions. Oh, Confronting Christianity. And then it's 10 questions to ask and answer about the world's largest religion. So this is 10 questions every teen should ask and answer about Christianity. And anyways, it's so good. Bella and I have started going through it together. She has her copy down there. I have mine here. And then we read a chapter, talk about it, kind of see if there's anything that stuck out to us or things that we maybe want to apply, you know, and kind of practically apply it to our everyday life. Anyway, I just wanted to share this because Rebecca McLaughlin is an incredible thinker, author, theologian, really. She studies and breaks down really complex things into real simple terms. So highly recommend her, and I highly recommend this book and the original one called Confronting Christianity. This is another favorite book of mine right now. It's more like a coffee table book. It's like a miniature coffee table book by Jenessa Wait. And this is a bunch of her art that she posts on Instagram and that she made into a coffee table book. And this is just so great. I've been including this in my morning devotions and just reading 2 or 3 pages, just, you know, stuff to kind of think on and reflect throughout the day. It's beautiful, you know, it's really, really pleasant to look at and filled with truth, filled with scripture. It would make a really great gift. So if you're looking for something, You Are Loved by Jenessa Wait, highly recommend this too. And she's a really great follow on Instagram too. Those of you who are on Instagram, I highly recommend her page. She's super encouraging, such a sweetheart. She just seems like the sweetest little girl. I mean, she's not little, but she seems like the sweetest young lady. Anyway, a couple book suggestions for you there. My food fun box just arrived. This is a produce box that I've been getting for a couple months now, and it's local. And what they do is they go to local farms, and all of the leftover produce that was rejected, that nobody wants because it looks funny or whatever, they package it up and they sell it. They have regular or they have organic, and then they also help support local families in need with food programs and getting food in the hungry bellies of families that maybe have fallen on hard times and could not otherwise afford it. Anyway, I'm sinking loving getting this box delivered to my house a couple times a month. Let me show you what came in today's. So this is what's in the box this time. You get to go online in advance and select what you want. And I have been nothing but pleased so far with these boxes when they've arrived. I mean, they're just fantastic. Look how much stuff you get crammed in this box. What's this? Ooh, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. So you get to pick what you want. They like pile it all in. It was rejected from the stores. I don't really know why. I'm not sure why these would have been rejected.
Maybe it was because we got rotten mangoes last time.
Pardon?
Maybe it was because we got rotten mangoes last time.
One time we got overripe mangoes, correct. That is true.
Okay, this isn't good.
But, I mean, they're great. We've got sweet potato fries, pre-cut and ready to go. And Little Potato Company potatoes. Got some rice, carrot, celery. These, I've just discovered these and they're my new favorite. Gooseberries. Do you guys know gooseberries? I mean, they're like sour. They're like nature's Sour Patch Kids. They're like sour and a little bit sweet, and they're so delicious. Got some really good looking spinach. Right? I mean, it's really great. And I went online to Walmart and I priced out everything that I got in this box as best as I could. I priced it all out at Walmart's website, and this was $23 cheaper than buying everything at Walmart. So it's like a win-win. I'm saving money on my groceries. I'm helping some local families in need get food on the table, getting rid of produce that otherwise would be trash from local farmers. I mean, everything about this company I truly love. Okay, look, here's a problem. My gooseberry is moldy, so that would be a problem. My guess would be they didn't see it, because their standard typically is if they wouldn't eat it, they won't pack it in the box. So I've never had something like that before. I'll call the company or I'll email them and see kind of what the procedure is, but I'm overall very, very pleased. I recommend this box every time it comes in. So if you are like local in like the greater Toronto Hamilton area, it's called Food Fund. I think their website is foodfund.ca. Food Fund, F-U-N-D, not F-U-N. Foodfund.ca. Check them out. I think it's really great products, really great company, great cause, great food. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hopefully next week we have a little bit more of a progress update we can give you. Hopefully, you know, there's just things continuing to move in the right direction so we can get this project done. Anyways, you guys have a great week and we'll see you next time, okay? Bye.